A burst of 40 full-resolution photos every second used to be a specification associated with sports cameras. Now, Leica is bringing that level of speed into its premium full-frame lineup. The company has officially unveiled the Leica SL3-P, a new mirrorless camera designed for photographers and filmmakers who don't want to choose between resolution, speed, and professional video features. At its core is a 44-megapixel backside illuminated full-frame sensor, paired with Leica's fastest hybrid autofocus system to date. The camera features 819 autofocus points and can maintain continuous autofocus while shooting at an impressive 40 frames per second using the electronic shutter. That's a significant leap for Leica's SL series. For video creators, the SL3-P is equally ambitious. It supports 8.1K open-gate recording, giving editors extra flexibility to crop footage from multiple aspect ratios without sacrificing quality. It also records 5.8K Apple ProRes, while 4K at up to 120 frames per second enables high-quality slow-motion capture. Leica has also equipped the camera with 5-axis in-body image stabilization, dual card slots for CF Express Type B and SD UHS-2, IP54 weather resistance, and a new interface that separates photo and video modes while automatically rotating the menu in portrait orientation. The company also includes content credentials, allowing creators to verify that an image originated from a real camera rather than AI-generated content. Another interesting detail is Leica's positioning. Instead of replacing the high-resolution SL3 or the speed-focused SL3S, the SL3-P sits directly between them, combining much of the resolution photographers want with the performance hybrid shooters have been asking for. Of course, all of this comes at a premium. The body alone is priced at around $6,690, making it a serious investment aimed squarely at professionals and dedicated Leica enthusiasts. The bigger question is whether Leica's blend of speed, image quality, and refined design is enough to convince creators who might otherwise choose flagship cameras from Sony, Canon, or Nikon. Would you invest in the Leica SL3-P, or would you spend the same budget somewhere else? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more of the latest camera and tech news.